Oruterano rukorirwa hari Mbale Resort omuri Mbale Town kandi ruretabirwa abebembezi ba district ya Mbale, abakuru b'amadini ku rugo mu mahanga nka America, Zambia, Nigeria, Cameroon na mufiti wa Uganda Sheikh Shaban Ramadhan Mubaje. Umukuka wa Bugisu Sajud Mike Madoma ari kugambaho n'abantu be ayorekire ngo nurwo ruterane ruru kubanza kuyashutamo mu ntebeji kandi arikozera n'ekigenderwa cyo kureba ngo yabwa n'abamasaba bona baganira habyo kuretaho entunguka omuri Bugisu.
Developments that propelled by government other discipline. We the Bamasaba people.
We must style up.
We must style up.
And this is the day.
That's why I call you here in this hall. Put you here all. We talk together. We give ourselves. We are going to constitute committees so that we are going to help everybody must partake with some level of responsibility.
Ogunagira ngo hatwiriho butikezana konka hati naenda barujo mu ntaro bakwatanise kutungura obumasaba.
Bamasaba. Today,
we must have the covenant with me.
Are you here?
Kujesabu masaba na moki senti.
I will go promote masaba and put it back on.
Ikaneni yanga mwezi laro kukolenga galoni kukuka kuchushamu kuna masaba.
We must make a covenant with the country institution so that we are no longer the same.
The wise men. The wise men. Ndakara basaba. Malakati mnaenda kubinda vitendo kutuyamba. Ebitendo kutukata, ebitendo kutukorakoranya. Muva muntale zibali zamwe.
Baba wakana kukwingira kuna yuko ruko sino bakawa no bona bagana bana ni muleke for the gift you are babifuna era na wati ni ko no njwe babifuna yes that's my ndifuka masaba no kuba kwa yeura mu uziaba kuroba ya no miterese atenga umukuru wanga akana ho kugalia keke fubabere byo batyeyo bari nayo kamwata bamasaba babe.
Minister Mtuzo asimire umukuka ahawo kweta oruterano kandi ari n'amatsiko nuruza kurugamwe cyo mugasho.
Let us concentrate on development. Mind our minerals, care for our land, tufunemere mara, tukuzaba n'abafa mu ruwamba wa fe.
Omurterano aba National Drug Authority bahire box za Mama Kids owa umukuka okwera bakaza barukuzarra hari umushozi.
When you are seeing that whatever you never before has been wasted within no time, what are we supposed to do? Is to say no to substance and drug abuse. Parents stand boldly and tell you what should be. To stop using alcohol.
Gasha kwa na Good Fatuma.